Okay, we will wait for 1 minute and then we can start. Chalo, good afternoon everyone. So we can start the first chapter, that is real numbers. Okay. So from last 2 days we finished trigonometry and the applications of trigonometry. For today we are doing real numbers. Okay. So I will directly start with numericals. Okay. So here the ratio between LCM and HCF of. Okay, write down the question. The ratio of LCM and HCF of numbers are given 5, 15 and 20. Okay, and options are given 9:1. First option 9:1. Second is given, that is 4:2. This is A, this is B. 4:3. C is 11:1 and D is 12:1. Okay, so these are the options are given. They are asking here what is the LCM and HCF of this ratio. Okay, so can you solve? Can you try these questions? Yes, find out the LCM and HCF of these three numbers and take a ratio. So you can take the first factors. 5 is nothing but 5 into 1. 15 is nothing but 3 5s are, and 20 is nothing but 2 into 2 4, and here 5. Okay, so these are the factors. As is 1 mark question, but solve in detail and then you can choose the option. So here HCF, highest common factor is how much here? Only 5 is there. Okay, yeah, and LCM is how much? Here to get LCM, 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1, and here we have 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. So LCM is nothing but what you will get? 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1 into 3. So 4 into 5 into 3, that is equal to 5 4s are 20 and here 60. 20 into 30 60, and their ratio are asking for ratio of LCM first. Okay, so 60 by 5, that is nothing but how much here? We will get it as 2. 12 by 1. So here option D is the correct option. Can you getting this? Okay, so write down next question. Okay, I am not explaining too much means in detail, because already you gone through this chapter. Okay, mostly you know the formula. Wherever there is a something is a new concept is introduced, then only I will explain you. Okay, so write down the sum of the two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 1215. If the sum of two numbers is 1215 and their HCF is 81, and their HCF is 81, then possible number of pairs of such number are the possible number of pairs of such numbers are, the pairs are given. First option is given, A is equal to first option, A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, and D is equal to 5. Here the two numbers sum. The numbers are A and B, and the sum is given 1215, and HCF of that number is given 81. Okay, so here then possible number of pair is how much? Okay, they are asking possible number of pairs. Can anyone solve this question, and can you tell me the answer? Check. Yes, can anyone solve this? How many pairs are formed? Does anyone know? Okay. check what is the answer. So here, this is also very important question. Here HCF of the number is given 81. HCF is 81, that means it is divisible, okay, or it is a factor of both the numbers, okay, it is a factor of both the numbers, and that means we can assume here that two numbers as a 81x and another number is a 81y, okay, little bit different question. So here 81x and another number is what, 81y, and here we can say that where x and y are co-primes. Okay, here I took A, so here I will write A and B. So here we can write A and B are co-primes. Okay, these numbers are nothing but what? The co-prime numbers are there, and their sum is equal to how much? 1215. Means now I can write it as 81A plus 81B is equal to 1250. So if I take 81 common, then A plus B is equal to 1250. So A plus B is equal to how much? 1215 divided by 80. Okay, do this division and check. So if we divide this, then we can get the answer 15. Okay, we will get answer what here, 15. So here the as A and B are co-primes, then possible values of A and B are. So A and B possible values we have to calculate. So sum of the two numbers I am getting here, that is A plus B is nothing but 15. Okay, and x and y are co-prime, so possible values of x. So how much pairs we will get? Can we write one pair? One is means 15. No, sum is 15. So one number is 1, another number is 14. 1 plus 14 is also 15. Then we can take here 2 plus 13, that is 15. Then again we can take 4 plus 11. Then here we can take 5 or prime numbers. So 7 into how much we can take as a 5. Okay, so not 5, 8. So these are the possible 4 numbers or 4 pairs we can do. Okay, so here as they are co-primes, so 1 and 14, 13 and 2, 11 and 4, and 8 and 7. These are the possible combination because A and B co-primes are there, so choose accordingly. Okay, so this is what the answer. So total how many pairs we can able to form? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 pairs we can form. So option, which option is there here? Check in the question. So we have here option C is the correct option. Okay, option C is the correct option. Now write down next question. Prove that root 7 is an irrational number. Prove that root 7 is an irrational number. Okay, can you do this? Can you start doing this? check. Are you able to do it? Root 7 is an irrational number. So start doing. Root 7 is an irrational number. So how we can start this? Okay, we can assume that root 7 is a rational number. First we are doing assumption. Okay, always. So this kind of questions maybe they will ask for 2 mark or 3 mark. 100% sure shot these questions are there in every paper. Okay, so don't leave this kind of question. So here first assume that or let root 7 is a rational number. Okay, so this rational number we are expressing in terms of p by q or a by b is equal to is nothing but what, co-prime numbers. Okay, so we can write here a by b, but b is not equal to 0, and here a and b are co-primes. These two statements are very important. For writing these statements you will get the half mark. Then we can write here a by b is equal to root 7. Then we can transpose this b to this side, root 7 into b, square it, and then 7 b square you will get. So this is equation number 1. Then we can say that here 7 divides your a square, as well as 7 divides a also. Okay, so we can assume a is equal to 7 times of c. Okay, and c is what, some positive integer we are taking some positive integer. Okay, so we can now substitute this a is equal to 7c in equation number 1. Okay, so this will become a is nothing but 7c, so this will become 7 square is nothing but 49c square is equal to, we can write 7b square. Okay, so if you observe here, this 7 is divisible by 49. Okay, so now you can write here 7 divides b square and 7 divides b also. Okay, so that means we can say that 7 is a common factor. Okay, 7 is a common factor for a and b. If this is a common factor, that means this contradicts what, the fact of the rational number, no? So whatever the we assume here co-primes, we are saying a and b are co-primes, and root 7 is a rational number, and here 7 is what, divisible by b square and as well as b. So this is contradictory statement. So we can say that root 7 is a irrational number. Okay, like this we have to do it. This is 2 or 3 mark question, 100% they can ask this. Okay, so copy this and write down one more question. Who all are there online? Just message me. Who all are there? Okay, and okay, third person I think gone. So next one you can take 2 plus 3 root 5 is a irrational number. Prove that. Prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is irrational. So again we can say that here let 2 plus 3 root 5 is a rational number. So a by b is a rational number where b is not equal to 0 and a and b are the co-prime numbers. Okay, so we can write a by b is equal to 2 plus 3 root 5. Then we can transpose this 2 to this side. So a by b minus 2, okay, equal to 3 root 5. That means we can write here 1 by 3. Transpose this 3. It is what gets divided. A by b minus 2 is equal to root 3 5. So this is what entire rational number and this is what your irrational number. Okay, which is not possible. Rational number is equal to irrational number. It is not possible. So it contradicts the statement and hence 3 plus root 5 is the rational number. Okay, sorry, irrational number. Okay, so like this you have to prove this kind of question 100%. There is a one question is there. Who is third person joined? Okay, write down next question. On a morning walk, three persons step off together. And their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter, 45 centimeter respectively. 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance. Each can cover the same distance and complete the steps. So I will repeat this question. On a morning walk, three persons steps off together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover same distance and complete the steps? Okay, so if you read the question, they are asking here each person will cover the same distance in complete the steps, and if they cover same distance, okay, that means we have to calculate here LCM. Okay, minimum distance they are asking, so we are calculating LCM here because three are what walking together, so there is a LCM we have to find out. Because 3 are walking, then number of steps are also what here more. Okay, so write down all the 3 numbers and factorize it and calculate the LCM. Then you will get your answer. Okay, so number is, what are the numbers? 40, first is which number? First is 40, no? 40, 45 and 42. 40, 42 and 45. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 20 and 20 into 2, 40. That means 5 into 2 raised to 3. Okay. And 42 is nothing but 21 2s are. Okay, so everything power is 1 here. 45. Okay, 3 into 3, 9. 9 and here we will get 9 5s are 45. So here 3 into 3 into 5, that is 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. So we have to calculate here LCM. LCM with what? The numbers which are highest in power. Okay, so here everywhere highest power of 2 is 3, then highest power of 3 is nothing but 2 here, 3 raised to 2 and 5 one time and 7 also comes one times. Okay, so if you do this multiplication, you will get 2570. Okay, 25, not 2570, 2520. 2520 steps. All 3 together, they did how much? 22,520 steps. Okay. Then write down next one. Write down next one. A seminar is being conducted by an educational is being conducted by an educational organization, where the participants will be educators of different subject, full stop. The number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60 degree, 84 degree and 108 degree. The number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60 degree, 60, 84, 108. Okay. So first bit they are asking here, write down first bit. In each room, the same number of participants. In each room, the same number of participants are to be seated. Are to be seated, and all of them being in the same subject. In the same subject, comma. Hence, the maximum number of participants. Hence, the maximum number of participants that can be accommodated in each room. That can be accommodated in each room. Okay. Second, find the minimum number of rooms required. Find the minimum number of rooms required. So, last question, find the product of LCM and HCF of. Find the product of LCM and HCF of 60, 80, 4, 108, 108. Okay, I'll repeat this. A seminar is being conducted by an educational organization where the participant will be educators, different subjects. The number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 80 and 108. Okay, the prime 108 respectively. Options are given. This is like a case study they gave. In each room, the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being the same subject. Hence, find the maximum number of participants that can be accommodated in each room. Okay. Second, find the minimum number of rooms required during the event. And third one is find the product of HCF and LCM of 60, 84 and 108. Okay. So here first they are asking maximum number of participants that can accommodate. Okay. So for that we have to take first prime factorization and then we have to go for HCF. Okay. And then LCM and then we have to calculate HCF. Okay. So first find out the factors for this. 60, 84. Find out first 8. So factors of 60. You can find out the factors of 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5. Then number 84. 84 we have to find out means 7 into 3 into 2 raised to 2. Okay, so these are the factor and last number is what? 108. Okay, 108 is nothing but 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. Okay, so here first bit they are asking what? The maximum number of participants that can be accommodated. So how many participants can maximum number of people can accommodate? That is HCF we have to find out first one. So here highest common factor is there 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 1. Okay. Yeah, that is nothing but how much? 2 raised to 2 is a 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, correct. So this is what the HCF I got. Then what is the LCM? LCM also we can calculate. LCM is what? The number with the highest power. LCM also you can calculate. Check how much is the LCM. So here 2 raised to 2 3 raised to 2, 5 and 7. Okay, so this is 4, 36, 108 is something I made a mistake. 100 and here actually cube will come. Okay, cube will come. Yeah, cube is there. So here power will come 3. So here it will come 4, 27 and 35. Okay, do this multiplication and check the answer. Check how much will it come. Multiplication of 35. Is it 3,780? 3,780. Okay, but here question are not interested in LCM and HCF. They are asking here first one, each room. First one so we got 12. Find the minimum number of rooms required for during this event. So minimum number of rooms. Okay, so number of rooms, that is here we can write number of rooms equal to, we can write here number of rooms equal to total number of participants divided by 12. Okay, total number of participants, divided by 12, because HCF we got it as 12. So total number is how much? 60 plus 80 plus 108 divided by 12. Okay, so 140 plus 108 by 12. So here 140 and 108, 842, 248 divided by 12. So do this division and check. You will get how much is the answer. Not 240, 60. Oh sorry, 84 is there, no? 84. So 4 means here 52 will come. 52 and 12. 24. So 121. Okay, so 21 is the number of rooms are required over here. So this is what I got the answer of second bit. And the third one they are asking the LCM and HCF of the product of these numbers. Okay, product le lo. So already you have HCF and LCM. So do 12th bit, 12 into 3780. Check how much is the answer. $45,360. 45,360. Okay, these are the numbers. Next question, write down. Show that 12 raised to n. Show that 12 raised to n cannot be. Show that 12 raised to n cannot be end with digit 0. cannot end with digit 0 or 5, cannot end with digit 0 or 5 for any natural number n, for any natural number n. Okay, this is also very important question. Show that 12 raised to n cannot end with digit 0 or 5 for any natural number n. Okay, so this I already explained you also, but still I will explain you because this is also one probable question. Okay, so we know that if we take a factors for 12, okay, the factors for 12 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so here 2 is there, but 5 and 0 are not there in these factors. Okay, so 12 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. These are the factors we have. Okay, or if we are writing 2 raised to 2 and 3 is also okay. This is 12 factor. Then 12 raised to n is nothing but 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to means whole bracket raised to n. So when we will get the ones placed as 0, then whenever I am multiplying the number with 5 and 2. So 5 2s are 10. See here units place is 0. But in case of 12, we cannot, there is no factors 5 and 2. So it never ends with the 0. Okay. So it never ends with 0 for any natural number. So here if you write it like this, then check. If we separate it 2 raised to 2 into n and 3 raised to n. So it does not end with the factor 5 and 2. So here only prime factorization. So the statement is required here. So only prime factorization of 12 raised to n are how many? 2 and 3, not 5 or 0. So it's this number. So this number's factor never ends with 0, or 5 and 0 we can write, not 5. Okay, no need to put this, not 5, this much is enough. And then we can write 12 cannot end with digit 0, okay, or 5. That's it. Getting this? Write down this. This is also very important question. Write down. Next question. If P and Q are two distinct numbers, write down. If P and Q are two distinct prime numbers, P and Q are distinct prime numbers, then HCF is, then HCF is first option 2, second option 0, third option either 1 or 2, and last option is D. Last option is D. Last option D is nothing but what? 1. Okay. So here P and Q are any two distinct prime numbers are there. Okay. So it's very easy. Option answer will come 1 only. because p is any number and q is also any number. We don't know. They both are variable here. Okay. So they are only saying p and q are prime numbers. So 1 into p and 1 into q. So here HCF is nothing but how much? 1. So option D is the correct option over here. Okay. So take the option, last option D, that is 1. Then next write down. Next, if P and Q are 2, again same, but last question is different. Okay. So if P and Q are 2 distinct prime numbers, if P and Q are distinct prime numbers, then LCM of P and Q is, first option 1, second option P, third option Q, fourth option PQ. Okay, getting this? So here what is the answer? Find out LCM of P and Q. What is the answer here? LCM, no? Here I solved already on the board. HCF is 1, then LCM is what? The numbers with the highest powers. So LCM of this PQ is nothing but P into Q. So according to this option, which option is correct here? Option D is the correct. Getting this? Okay, check. Write down next question. Write down next question. If P is a prime number, if P is the prime number, the sum of a factor is, let P be the prime number, then sum of its factors is. So first option P, second option 1, third option P plus Q, last option P plus 1. That's it. Okay. So P is a prime number, no? So if it is prime number, then factors of P is nothing but what here? So P is nothing but 1 into P, no? So 1 and P are the factors. So sum is how much? 1 plus P. Okay, that is last option, that is D. Okay, write down this. Very simple, you have to think it. Okay, copied. Chalo. Next question. Write down. LCM of the smallest two digits composite number and the smallest composite number is. The LCM of smallest two-digit composite number and the smallest composite number is. Okay. So here very interesting statement. What they are saying? LCM of smallest two-digit composite number. Smallest two-digit composite number is 11. Okay, and smallest composite number is nothing but how much? Composite number is, smallest composite number is how, which one is there? Oh, not prime, this is composite, yes. Smallest two digit composite number, how much? Is it 10? Okay, and smallest composite number, two, that is what? Yes. Here they are asking LCM of smallest two digit composite number. Two digit smallest composite number is 10 and smallest composite number. Composite number means what? The numbers which are having what? More than two factors. Okay. So which one will be the correct answer will come here? Oh, I will give you option also. I forgot to give the option. So here smallest composite number is first 12, B 20, C 4 and D 44. I'll repeat. A is 12, B is 20, C is 4, D is 44. Okay. So can you find out the answers for this? Check. Smallest composite number is what? One digit smallest composite number is? Yes, girls, find out what is the answer. You already did this. Option is clearly, I told one hint also. 12, 24 and 44. So here two digit composite number is 10. So if you multiply any number with 10, then it ends with 0. So option is what here? B. Okay, because smallest composite number is one digit number is 2 and smallest two digit composite is 10. So 10 into 20, 10 into 2 is nothing but how much? 20. Okay. So write down next. Small HCF of smallest prime number. HCF, next is HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number. Okay. HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number is first option 2, second 4, third 6, fourth is 8. I'll repeat the option 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, smallest, what are the smallest? Prime and composite. Prime number is 2 and composite number is what? Smallest, just now I told you 2. So how much is the answer here? Check and tell me the answer. HCF. Okay, HCF they are asking. HCF smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. Okay, and smallest co-prime, what that is, composite number is also 2. So HCF they are asking. HCF is nothing but what here? 2. Is the option there? 2. Yeah, option is nothing but what here? 2. Option A. Okay, so note it down. चलो next question, write down, sorry, write down next question. If HCF is x comma 8, if HCF x comma 8 is equal to 4, and here LCM of x comma 8 is equal to 24, then find x. Okay, so can we find out? We know the formula here. This is 1 mark question. HCF into LCM of the numbers a and b is equal to what? Product of that numbers. Okay, so here HCF we have 4 and LCM we have 24. A is nothing but x and b is nothing but 8. So x is equal to, we can write 4 into 24 divided by 8. Okay, so here 2 and here we will get 12. So answer, value of x is nothing but how much here? 12. Getting this? Copy this. Advait, are you there? Advait? Advait, are you there? Okay, Anokhi? Anokhi, are you there? Azra? Hriday? Who all are there? Okay, I hope everyone is copied. So write down next question. Here, if this is also important question, so write down next question. Here, if a is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3, b is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5, c is nothing but 3 raised to n into 5, then LCM of number a, b and c is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 2 and 5 raised to nothing, that is 1. Then find n. Okay, they are asking us to find out this n. Okay, so what is the answer here? They gave here a is 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised, here b is 2 into 3 into 5, c is 3 raised to n into 5, then LCM of ABC is nothing but 2 raised to 3, 3 is to 2 and 3 is to 5. Okay, so how much is the answer? Here we can say that no, n is equal to 2, because in LCM we are taking the numbers with highest factor. So here highest factor means here highest factor of 3 in LCM is 2. That's what we can take here. N is nothing but 2. Okay. Okay, so here we finished almost all the questions before also. Same questions are coming. Okay, so today I am sending one more worksheet on the group. Try to solve that. Okay, I will end this session today. So tomorrow morning again 5:30 I am keeping the session. Okay, so we can meet again tomorrow. Thank you for joining.